Easy homemade rosemary walnut bread. Let's go. I do 1.5 cups bread flour, 1.5 cups wheat flour, 1 packet of active yeast or 2.5 teaspoons, 1.5 teaspoons salt, and mix-a-dixie. If you're a nut bag, add more, but I put in 2 tablespoons chopped walnuts and roughly 2 teaspoons of chopped dried rosemary. Self-explanatory. Okay, you have 1 1/3 cup water, but don't add it all at once. Just do a little bit, mix it in, then add another little bit, mix it in. You don't want it too sloppy, gooey, yucky. Just trust the pros, okay? Yummy, gooey, cover it with plastic wrap, give it the old football pat, and hand it to Omi to babysit. Let it rise for 4 hours, preheat your oven to 450, and put in your Dutch oven. Yeah, I said it. On a clean surface, put down some oil, smush it around, put down your dough, and watch out for tiny phantom hands. Here's an important piece. You're going to fold the dough over itself a few times. You're not going to overdo it. Put the plastic wrap over it and let it sit for 30 minutes while your oven heats up. At full temp, pop that baby in, cover it up, bake for 45 minutes, and the last 15 minutes, take the top off. You got a crusty brown outer shell, and the inside is so soft. Full recipe in the caption. Let me know if you make it. I gotta know what you think. Guten Appetit!